Hevalên hêja birayên ezîz xwişkên delal hûn bi xêr hatin li ser kanala min. Ez ê îro ser zimanê Kurdî û İngilîzî hinek kelîme û peyvan ji bo we belav bikim. Ger hûn hazirin em bi hevdira dest pê bikin. In Kurdish, we say that array. The meaning of it in English, yes. Also, there are some other versions of the Kurdish language for this word. Array. Yes. For example, you can say also for array, bale, raste, rastbêjî, a. Let's look at again. If you want to say yes in English, and the meaning of the yes in Kurdish is that bale, raste, rastbêjî, a. There are four options for array. Another word in Kurdish is karışık. Karışık. Meaning of it in English, beautiful, nice. Karışık. Beautiful. Let's look at the version of the words for the Kurdish also. Karışık. That means bedev. Another meaning of it, delal. Şirin or shirin. And rinde, or you can say rind. Karışık, bedev, delal, shirin, rinde. All of them, the meaning of all of them is beautiful. And for array, you can also say bale, raste, rastbêjî, a. That means yes. Ez gelek spas dikim ji bo temaşakirina we. Bimênin kêf û xêr û xweşî de kerema xwe ji bîr nekin bo abonebûn û şopinandinê ji bo vê kanalê. Thanks for your watching and see you next lesson.